So hello everyone, welcome to Lorenzo Data Solutions. My name is Anipe Abraham, SAP SuccessFactors consultant and corporate trainer. So today in this short video, I'm going to explain about SuccessFactors Recruiting H2 2022 release updates in a detailed explanation. And I'm sure those who are watching this may give you some clarity about the new updates, so that where it helps you to update your subject. So with regarding the schedule period for H2 2022 for recruitment management, which is 28th October 2022, which is a preview release, and December 9th 2022 is a production release. Now everyone knows all the scheduled dates, those who are already working in SuccessFactors. So the first update that I want you to understand with this update is update to the expiration duration of the reset password link. Earlier, set a welcome password and reset password link expiration. It used to be like, you used to set up like a 1 to 30 days in between. For example, you can look at the screenshot that here at the bottom, password policy login setting, we used to have like the option is like a 1 to 30 days. But now you can, you see like by default you are able to see, but anything that you can set up between 1 to 30, but with this update, set password expiration option is now set to one day by default. So but now this option is disabled for editing. Earlier you are able to set up like a 1 to anything between 30 days, but now it is completely disabled and is grayed out. But this update enhances the privacy for your agency users and even external candidate accounts what you're going to create. So now the password is actually disabled and it is set as a 1 day, and now you can't edit set welcome password and reset password expiry in number of days, where it was possible for you by 1 day to anything between 30 days. And one more thing with this update you also must understand, which is unsuccessful login attempts. That was also you can set up your unsuccessful login attempts with the number of days specified, but maximum number of unsuccessful logins also disabled, so you cannot edit it. So you can see if you are exceeding more than 5 attempts, automatically your agency account or external user accounts will be locked, and then you may need to consult the system administrator to reset your account. So with this, this no manual update or admin interference is not required. It is a universally going to be updated 9th December 2022, the production system, right? It is one of the minor enhancement, and you can go through these technical details, may give you more clarity. Next, let us try to understand the next update, that is internal candidates are included in recruiting email campaign. For customers who are already using this recruiting email campaign that includes internal candidates, but now there is no action is needed to take now whether to receive it or not. The configuration type is set up automatically. So now the configuration requirement, which is in order to use a recruiting email campaign, first of all, you need to go and set up or enable candidate relationship management. So the prerequisite is, so you are using recruiting email campaign in RBP, it is enabled. and you also need to grant the permissions to edit, to create, to view. This is for configuring the recruiting email campaign. So in the current version, both external and internal candidates can receive emails from a recruiting email campaign. But in the previous release, only external candidates receives, email campaigns, but now it is made available, including both internal and external candidate. So this is one of the minor update. The configuration type is a universal. Okay. Now, let us try to understand the third one, which is new recruiting career site detail for SSL certificate expiration email reminder. So now SSL certificate expiry email reminders are improved with additional detail that helps the administrators to identify that your career site is about to expire in number of days. So these email reminders, they include about your RCM company ID, career site ID, site name, the URL. All these things will be included, and it's going to be notified for the administrators to take necessary action with an improved functionality about this one. Now, another update which is a very useful one, which is a new reject all cookies button for a career site cookies banner. That means you can also configure, like reject all cookies button in a career site as a cookies banner next to the existing accept all cookies. Every time there is a small pop-up appears at the bottom of the career site banner page. Now with this enhancement, you can actually configure reject all cookies button, but by default, the setting is enabled as reject all cookies as off. So if you don't want, you can disable it. It's up to you, but you can configure so that the configuration requirement is the career site builder feature is located in the appearance global cookies manager. So there you can enable all cookies and configure even reject all button label automatically. There is nothing you need to configure to see these details. Okay. And you can see there is a one more cookies banner setting page. You have to go and enable, and then if you don't want, you can disable it. Okay. I'm sorry. In the previous version screenshot, if you see, you don't see that reject all cookies tab, which you are able to see here with this here. Okay. But now you don't see it in the previous version here. Right. So this is one of the enhancement. I'm sure this also helps you to understand about the cookies for a better experience of your career site pages. Okay. Next, the last update with this, H2 2022 for recruitment. In this blog, there are so many updates, but one of the few major enhancements I'm explaining for you. So now the enhancement to the interview central. So earlier we used to have a thumbs up, thumbs down that are used to rate the candidates, performance actually, whether the interview has gone better or not. But now you will only see the icons to rate with a recommended or not recommended. You don't see it like a thumbs up, thumbs down. You can see. Now this is how it is going to look after the preview production release. Instead of thumbs up, thumbs down in the interview central page. But earlier, you are able to see, like you can see the thumbs, it's interview central. In the current version, you are able to see. You can see. We are able to see like thumbs up, thumbs down. But now you are only going to see from now onwards as a recommended, not recommended. Okay. So this is one of the update, and everyone who is working in recruitment management. So make sure you are knowing all these, updating yourself, and maybe when you're going for your Delta examinations, and I'm sure these points what I have explained may help you to clear your Delta exam as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this short video. See you all again next time. Bye everyone. Thank you.